Microsoft 365 versus Excel. What's the difference? Choosing the right productivity tool can completely change how you manage your work without wasting time. Microsoft 365 offers a full suite, while Excel focuses on spreadsheets. Microsoft 365 and Excel are related but serve different purposes. Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based suite including multiple apps, while Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program. The core difference is Microsoft 365's broader scope versus Excel's specialized functionality. Microsoft 365 is a subscription service that provides access to a collection of productivity applications including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It works by giving users cloud-based access to the latest versions of these apps with continuous updates and features. Strengths include seamless collaboration through OneDrive, integration across apps, and access from multiple devices anywhere. It also offers additional services like email hosting and security features for businesses. However, it requires a subscription fee, and some users may find the full suite overwhelming if they only need specific tools. Microsoft 365 is ideal for users or organizations looking for an all-in-one productivity solution with collaboration capabilities and cloud access. It suits remote teams, businesses, and professionals who benefit from multiple apps working together under one platform. Excel is a spreadsheet application focused on data organization, analysis, and visualization. It works by allowing users to create workbooks with cells arranged in rows and columns, supporting formulas, pivot tables, charts, and macros. Excel's strengths lie in its advanced calculation capabilities, data modeling, and flexibility for financial, statistical, or operational tasks. It is widely used for budgeting, forecasting, and reporting. Limitations include being primarily a single application tool and lacking the broader collaboration and communication features found in Microsoft 365. Excel can be purchased standalone or accessed through Microsoft 365. It is ideal for users who need powerful spreadsheet functionality without the need for additional productivity apps. This includes analysts, accountants, and anyone focused on data-driven tasks. Comparing Microsoft 365 and Excel highlights the difference between a full productivity ecosystem and a specialized tool. Microsoft 365 provides a comprehensive set of applications with cloud storage and collaboration, perfect for teams working on diverse projects. Excel, while included in Microsoft 365, excels as a standalone spreadsheet program with deep analytical features. For example, a business requiring document creation, email, and video meetings benefits from Microsoft 365's integrated platform. Meanwhile, the financial analyst needing complex data models may prefer Excel's focused environment. The trade-off is between breadth and depth. Microsoft 365 offers wide functionality but at a subscription cost, while Excel delivers specialized spreadsheet power and can be used independently. Choosing depends on whether you need an all-in-one suite or a dedicated spreadsheet solution. Microsoft 365 is recommended for users seeking a complete productivity suite with collaboration tools, cloud access, and ongoing updates across multiple applications. Excel is best for those focused on advanced spreadsheet work who prefer a dedicated tool without the extras. Ultimately, understanding your workflow needs will guide the right choice between Microsoft 365's versatility and Excel's specialized power.